everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an ultimate clean with me, but before I get started with that, I'm going to take my vitamins for the morning. I usually like to take them after I eat breakfast, usually around 10 o'clock. Vitamins that I'm taking are from the company Care Of. Care Of is a subscription service that makes it easy to get vitamins, protein powders, and more personalized just for you and delivered straight to your door. As you can see, it's personalized. It even has my name on each of the packages. And today's video is sponsored by Care Of, so a big thank you to them. When I was selecting my vitamins, I went onto Care Of's website and I took their online quiz. Their online quiz asks you about your diet, health goals, lifestyle choices. It only took me about 5 minutes to find out my personal recommended vitamins, protein powders, and more. The online quiz is new and improved to learn if you're getting enough protein, fiber, and good fats to determine if you could benefit from Care Of's new natural protein powders. And as you can see, I also did get 2 packages of their protein powder along with the vitamins, and I love that the vitamins are in little packages. So all of your vitamins for that day are in one package, so all you have to do is grab out your package each morning, open it up, and take all of your vitamins. I hate having to have multiple vitamin containers on the counter. I have to open up each one. I have a hard enough time taking my vitamins each day, and then to have to open up all these containers. It's so nice just have it all in one packet that you can open it up, pop them all in, and take them. And then I also was going to try some of their protein powder today. It is so yummy. They also sent me some packets of maca powder that I mixed in there because it recommended that I take some of that in my online quiz. And that protein powder that I mixed up was so yummy. I'm usually very picky with my protein powders, but I really liked this one. And Care Of did give me a promo code for you guys. You can get 50% off your first Care Of order. All you have to do is go to takecareof.com and enter my promo code HAPPYHOME50. So definitely go and try it out. They're giving you 50% off, which is an amazing deal. I will have all of the details and their website linked down below. Thank you again to Care Of for sponsoring this video. Okay, so now on to the cleaning. Like you saw, the first thing that I did was to take the sheets off my bed, and now I'm going to put them into the washer. And I started using these Method fragrance boosters along with my Method laundry soap that I usually use from Grove Collaborative. And using these fragrant boosters helps your laundry to smell twice as good. It's that ginger mango scent that everybody loves. The laundry soap and the fragrant boosters are that ginger mango scent as well. So my laundry has been smelling amazing. I definitely recommend using the fragrance boosters. So then I wanted to do a little bit more cleaning in my bedroom. I got out my duster and I wanted to dust some surfaces in the room, clean off some of the mirrors. The last thing that I wanted to do in my bedroom was to vacuum the floor, and I do have this cordless vacuum linked in my Amazon storefront. If any of you are interested in it, I always still get lots of questions about it. So I just had a list of a lot of different things that I wanted to get clean around the house today, and my bedroom was the first thing on the list. If you have a lot of different areas in your house that you're wanting to clean or anything specific, it's great to make a list because then you can check it all off, helps you to feel accomplished, and helps you to get everything done that you wanted to. Like you saw, I got some dusting done, vacuuming, I got a window cleaned, and that little window there by the door is just right at the kids' height. And when you have a window that's that low and your toddlers can touch it and stuff, you can pretty much just expect it to hardly ever stay clean, because I could literally wash that window every day and it would still end up getting dirty by the end of the day. So I hope that this video is giving you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration, and hopefully you're cleaning along with me, or you're going to clean up after you watch this video. That is the point of these videos, is to be motivating and to give you that inspiration that you need to clean up your house, because sometimes it can be really hard to find inspiration and motivation to clean up your house every single day. It's a never-ending chore, it seems like. Recently, I went through all of the boys' toys and I packed away probably about half of their toys in some toy rotation bins into their closet, and I only kept the toys that I know that they play with, which was only about half of their toys. And since I did that, they seem to be playing with their toys more, because, you know, it's not so overwhelming because there's so many toys. It's only the toys that they actually have been playing with and enjoy, and they've also been able to keep their room a lot cleaner. As you saw, it wasn't quite as trashed as it usually is. I decided to go ahead and just pack away Owen's changing pad and changing cover. He just is getting a little bit too long for it, and most of the time I just change him on the floor anyway. last area that I wanted to clean today was the kitchen, and as you can see, it really wasn't that messy in here. Just a couple dishes to pick up and put away and wash. After that, I wiped down the countertop and the sink, and then I grabbed my broom to sweep the floor, and I didn't use my robotic vacuum to sweep the floor because Owen was taking a nap and I really didn't want him to wake up, so I didn't want to make any noise. The last thing on my list was to mop the wood floor, and I'm going to be using Aunt Fanny's floor cleaning concentrate. Just put a little bit of that in there and filled it up the rest of the way with water. This is from Grove Collaborative. I've really been liking it so far. I've been using it for a few months now. That is going to be it for today's cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that it was motivating and inspirational for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button down below and click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. And it is completely free to subscribe to my channel. It's just a way that you can help me out and a way that you can get notified every time that I upload new videos. You can also head over and follow me on Instagram if you want. I try to post over there as often as I can and share a little bit of my everyday life in my stories. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home, and I will see you all in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!